So, are you struggling with applying your false lashes or you simply don't know how to? Then hi, my name is Whitney Wuzor, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can do that in less than a minute. So let's get started. So applying falsies has been something that I personally couldn't do for the longest time. But boo, with this trick, you're going to be applying your falsies in no time. So the first thing I like to do is curl my lashes. And what I use for that is this little tool right here. It looks like a scissor, it looks kind of scary, but trust me, it's not. So I like to take this tool, put it close to my eye, and insert my natural lashes onto it and just press and hold for a minimum of 10 seconds. I do this like 3 times on one eye and then I switch over to the other eye. Now, in case you do not have this tool at home, all you can do is use a waterproof mascara. So the one that I really recommend is the L'Oreal Lash Voluminous Paradise. I really like this mascara because it really helps to lengthen my lashes and also curl them up. I usually apply this mascara when I'm not planning on using falsies, but another cheaper alternative of really good mascara is the Maybelline Hyper Curl Volume Express. Now the reason I do this is that I really want my lashes to be nice and curled. That way it will look really good when I apply my falsies. So after you're done applying your mascara, then you do want to go ahead to grab onto your lash glue. I'm using the PAC Cosmetic Lash Fixer. I really like this one. It's really good. In case you don't have this, then do get your hands on the Duo one. That's really good as well. Then I'm going to take my lash glue and place it on my lash line, typically the same place that I would apply my eyeliner. Now I love doing this step because this step really helps me to position my falsies in place, and also I don't have any lash glue residue all over my lids, and it also doesn't make my lashes stick together. Do you get? So voila, this is the finished look. I really hope that you liked it. The lashes that I used are from the Gala Artistry palette. They look like this. Not my most favorite, but I do like them for natural looks. And in this lockdown, a girl's gotta do what she's gotta do, okay? So if you did enjoy this video, make sure you like down below, and also share this video to your friends and family, because hey, you never know who might be struggling in the lash department. Also make sure to subscribe for more videos like this, and also turn on the bell notifications and you can be the first one to be notified whenever I post a new video. So that's it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.